All right.
Woo.
Nice set, Sierra.
Go, Sierra.
What's her number? Oh, 852. See, to me.
Good going, Grandma. Oh, great. Ooh, I'm leaving.
The ball just comes. Ah.
Ooh, I like these.
Yes, I love those.
Are those the,
Easy to walk in the sand.
are those
So they
those,
rep and then play?
I think so. It's only 14 pools, so I think that's how
High
it
orbit beach.
goes.
Okay.
They rep, play.
Is it? Do they just play two games?
2 games to 20
Because I was going to order
unless you need a third. I got the third, we go to 15.
I have some that have.
They didn't here. They just went 2 games. They didn't go a third.
What if one
I do, yes.
That's what happened. They didn't go by points.
See, that's what these are. I love these.
I missed that. Who got that point?
Yeah, with that.
We did.
Us.
So 4 to 4.
Yoga bottom.
Uh-huh.
And it's so comfy.
Nice.
Although, you know, I
Nice, Meg.
Yeah.
Other better. Let's go, Meg.
I keep my feet on.
Okay, I was thinking about those, you know.
Oh, ace. Woo. Way to go, Meg. 6-4.
I got a piece of that. I can't stand it.
I peed on the way. There was a lot of bathrooms before I got here, so I thought I'd use
You
one.
stopped at area one.
Where are you guys staying at?
We stayed at the Manhattan Beach at Shade.
Oh, man.
So we were there last night. They played yesterday. And then played the next day.
Did they play in Hermosa
It
yesterday?
was in Manhattan. It was
Oh,
great.
okay.
Big USAB, 45 teams. We've come over in January, December, and there was like 45. It was a great tournament.
Wow. How'd they do?
We ended up third.
Oh, very good. Oh, nice. 6 to 6. Oh no, sorry. 7 to 5.
Heads up.
Us.
Yes.
Oh, nice try, Meg. 7 shots. Let's go side out, side out. Nice, Meg, nice. 8-6.
Sorry, man.
Let's go, Meg. So it was a long day yesterday.
Yeah, so you get them play 5, started 8:30. The best for the quarterfinals, they beat 2.
No way. That's amazing. Oh! Oh my god. That's gotta be.
That first match just took it out of me, but it was good. It was a good
That's
day.
awesome.
Yeah, it was fun. They were they didn't at all.
That's awesome. Can't see Sierra's number. I marked her sweat, wiped it off.
852.
Okay.
Is that what I told you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nine, eight.
Couldn't remember.
Looks like a backward 3, Andrea.
Oh, sorry. It was hard writing it on her leg. Nice, Sierra.
Nice, nice clap, too.
Woo!
That was nice.
10-8. Go, Meg.
Oh,
Meg. 3 in a row. Shake it off, Meg.
Go see her. Yes. Go see her. I have 11-9. Oh, beautiful.
Nice serve. Yes.
Oh my God, that's my girl.
Way to go.
12-9. Way to go, Sierra. Could you hear what Claire's mom was saying?
That they beat USC commits? That's
Full
huge.
ride USC girls, and they were being coached by the USC coach.
RPM. Where's that? It's in Arizona. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
Good try, good try.
That's great. Good for them. And that was Macy. And
And they took third in that tournament. So there's like 45 people. 13-10. Beautiful. 14-10. That's the longest one to watch.
oh my God, Maggie. What's up with her serve?
She missed another one.
Don't say that so loud. There might be someone that has the first one.
I'm just gonna work over here.
Good idea. Good idea. You got this, girls.
14-12. Oh, good try, good try. 15-13.
Oh, that was a good serve.
15-14 us.
We need to call a timeout.
Come on.
Right here, Meg. Good kill. Nice. Nice, Meg. We needed that. Okay, Meg. Just gonna get an ace right here. Yeah, I called it.
You did. Thank you.
17-14.
You're bad.
Oh my God. She's back. Way to go, Meg. 18-14. Oh, there it is.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh my God.
Keep it up, Meg.
You go, Meg. Good.
Oh. That was a close. I thought that was
I thought that was
I
nice.
thought it was going to be out.
Darn
too.
it.
78.
What's the score?
2015.
Okay, come on, girls.
26.
Finish this.
Don't screw it up, guys. No mistakes, just return it. Where are these girls from?
That was a nice up.
It was. Oh, nice, Sierra.
Ah, faked her.
Faked her out.
2017.
Okay, this is our point.